Alright, just a little video update. This is my 2016 RAV4 XLE. I have installed this Alpine head unit. The reason I got it because I wanted something to work with my iPod, but apparently it doesn't work properly as I would expect. I do lose the navigation, but the camera still works. Steering control volume works, which is cool. So let me start this up for you. You can see the boot up screen there. It still retains all the steering wheel controls, so they work. You do have to mount another microphone, which is right up here. And as you can see, here's the it's a touch screen, so you can look at your settings. As you can see, some of the stuff is grayed out. So the reason that it is because the e-brake is down. So the way it's wired by default is the e-brake is needs to be up. So as you can see, I'll pull it up, and it's not on yet. And then so you put it down, and then put it up a second time, and then you can see it's all enabled now. So I can go ahead and hit Bluetooth and add your device, whatever Bluetooth device is. You can update your head unit, which I did recently through a USB drive. You can adjust the sound, all these little things here. So yeah, it's pretty good, very responsive. It still has screen protector on there, still left it on there. Don't need to take it off. But yeah, Bluetooth audio, and it has Apple CarPlay, which is pretty cool. So if I plug my phone in, you can pretty much use your phone interface will be on the screen. So you can use like Waze, Spotify, Audible, Amazon Audible, anything you use, you can pretty much play it through the car. So yeah, so then one thing also, as you can see, I have this wire coming out. The reason I have it is because I wanted the direct connection to the head unit as opposed to the harness that came with this, because I don't trust the factory one. So I did disconnect that, but so these little caps here, they pop out. So I pop one out and I just cut a little hole on the side, and basically the wire would just sit into here pretty snugly like so. And then all I would do, so it would just sit like this. So what I do is I'll slide this on into here, snaps in, and there you go. See, so it's just a cable. It's just kind of dangling now, and I can just plug my iPhone into it. But if I ever get an Android, this also has Android Auto. So if I ever get an Android phone, I could just pull this out, pull that cap out, swap out the cable that I want, and then that'll be just a dangling, USB Type-C. But yeah, so that's it. And also, I want to show the backup camera here. So once I put it in reverse, it's not as quick as the OEM switch when you put it in reverse, but it's still, pretty quick. Reverse, boom, there you go. So yeah, it still turns the guidelines still turn, when you turn left and right steering wheel, so that still works. Steering wheel controls up and down still work. So that's good. So yeah, so far it's pretty good. I can't wait to install the subwoofer, get some bass in here, but other than that, I'm very happy with the head unit so far. So yeah, just a little update on that, and I hope this helps anyone else looking for a aftermarket head unit for their RAV4.